Yes, sir.
Yes.
Today the practical class of this VGO 605. That is, I think, first class of the semen preservation. So I will take the class in the by the PPT mode, and also by the live demonstration of the different AV, part of the AV. Okay. So method of semen collection in bovines, as you well aware with the things as I told in the theory classes. So what is the principle? The principle is the collection of the semen for the purpose of the preservation, either in the refrigerated mode or the cryopreservation through artificial vagina. The principle includes the three things: what is the end result, what is the method used, and what is your motto. The motto is here: preservation of the semen, and method by the artificial vagina. So let's come to the objective. What are the objectives for the semen collection? The objective is much more clear, that collect the semen artificially and preserve the semen to preserve the semen, to detect the genital diseases or abnormality in the semen, or to select the bull for the breeding purpose, and so many. So what are the procedure for the semen collection through artificial vagina method? So just look the summary like that. First, involve the bulls for their exercise in the morning hours. Then we just prepare the AV before, 1 day before. All part of the artificial vagina should be autoclaved in the low pressure, and then a preparation of the AV has been done before the semen collection. Okay. Then come to the washing of the bull and drying. Washing of the bull is very necessary, particularly the prepucial region and also the perineal region. So means whole part of the bull is very neat and clean. So washing of the bull and then drying, and then prepare for the bull to the semen collection is very necessary. Then come to the actual semen collection. For that purpose, you should bring the one dummy. Dummy should be either same species or the other species, but dummy size of the dummy should be less. Height of the dummy should be less than the actual bull size. So then prepare the bull for the false mounting. Many a time 1 or 2 false mounting is very common, but if you desire, then 2 to 3 false mounting should be there. So then come for the actual collection of the semen by artificial vagina. When the false mounting has over, then you collect the semen by holding the erected penis into the erected penis and divert this penis towards the artificial vagina, and then within second you can get the semen. If the all the things is ready, all the things is very identical in manner, like the temperature of the artificial vagina, and your hand should not be diverted. You should be very attentive during the semen collection, because within the second the semen has ejaculated by the bull. So then comes for the immediate preliminary examination of the semen, like the mass motility and progressive motility after the dilution of the semen, and color, consistency, viscosity, and other things. pH should be examined very primarily. Then second ejaculation may be collected if you have desired. Most of the labs now taking the 2 ejaculation in the same time. So second ejaculation is mostly optional, but many of people has doing that. So as in the theory class, I told that okay, these are the part of the artificial vagina in which the rubber inner rubber liner is there in the hard rubber cylinder, There should be water inlet for the warm water, and this is the warm water chamber and outer casing, and this is collection tube. This is the rubber cone, and just after the preparation of the AV, just you lubricate the inner rubber liner, okay, by the petroleum jelly or other things. Most preferred things is petroleum jelly. But through this inlet, you just pour the warm water up to the 50 degrees centigrade, and it should not be 45 degrees, more than 45 degrees centigrade during the actual semen collection. Means when the penis has diverted toward the artificial vagina, the temperature of the artificial vagina should not be more than 45 degree or 46 degrees centigrade. So it should be taken into the case.
Sir.
Then this is the part of the artificial vagina, as I previous told in the previous class.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, what would be the pressure of this artificial vagina?
What? क्या कर रहे हो?
What would be the pressure? Pressure, sir.
What is the pressure? Artificial vagina pressure?
Yes, sir. Temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, and there should also be pressure, no, sir?
Yeah, pressure should be there, as which when you insert your finger inside the inner lower liner, then should not be easily inserted. Okay, that much of the pressure should be there. And when the star shape, inner lower liner become star shape, then should be, this is the actual pressure. I just forgot that what is the actual pressure in the pound. I will tell in the next class. But you just take a thumb rule that you should insert your finger here in the prepared AV, just like in there. You should insert your finger here, and when your finger is not passing easily in the star-shaped inner double liner, then you should go for the actual collection. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So preparation of the AV is has so many important steps, like the sterilize all the part of the AV in the autoclave in the low pressure, means 10 pound. As you will know that in the autoclave 15 pound pressure is there, but in the low pressure, in 10 pound, 10 lbs pressure, you should autoclave all part of the AV. So put in the incubator. The AV should be put in the prepared AV. After the autoclaving, you should prepare the AV 1 day before and put into the incubator for the dryer sterilization. Or you just put the all parts separately into the incubator or in any sterilized place for the drying up, then fit the inner rubber liner in the hard rubber cylinder and then attach the rubber cone towards the which side? Away from the water inlet side. Okay. Just towards the water inlet side. Okay. For that purpose, you should get one space for the holding the artificial vagina. Okay. During the actual collection. If you fit this inner rubber, this rubber cone in this side, then there should be very less space for holding the artificial vagina. Okay. So you just adhere the inner rubber liner. After that, you just fit the rubber cone. Then you just fit the test tube, semen collection tube. Just like the test tube, but there should be made of the non-pyrogenic substances. Okay. Then before that, if after the all the things attached, then you insert the water from the water inlet. Okay, 50 degrees centigrade up to the 50 degrees centigrade, you just pour the water, and you should pour the air also through this air inlet. in this air inlet is also in this inlet, you just remove the inlet and pour the water, and then you just by your mouth or by the pump, you just fill the some air for the percentage. But most of the time, you just if you fill the water, then pressure is automatically get as desired by you. So need not to get the more air inside the hollow space for the water in the way AV. Then come for the washing of the bowl. Washing of the bowl should be done after the exercise of 1 to 2 hours. Otherwise, the bulls may become ill. So washing of the bull, just wash, and during the washing you just remove all the dung and other part from the superficial region and from the other region also. Okay, so just to avoid any contamination in the semen. So washing of the superficial hair should be done by the force, but force should not be much more. So superficial region should be washed, and time to time the superficial hair should be cut. Okay, otherwise the debris has adhere on that superficial hair. Then collection of the semen by the 2 to 3 fowls mounting. After that, you just divert the penis by one hand and take the AV in the another hand and divert the penis. And within the 1 or 2 seconds, you just get the semen. But thrust, there is thrust. Thrust is very much strong, so please don't divert the artificial vagina during the thrust, because if you divert the artificial vagina, then there may be rupture of the penis, or there may be breakage of the test tube also. So you just take the consideration with this point. And here is some thing is missing, that is the AV jacket. AV jacket means insulating jacket. Because of that time when the semen collection was there by me, this is the actual photograph of my research. Okay. Then that temperature was almost 25 to 27 degrees centigrade outside temperature. So this is okay. But you should wrap the insulating bag here. But most of the time in the practical manner, the insulating bag in the most of the semen center is not fitted during the collection, but just after the collection, you just keep the things in the insulating jacket also. Okay. So there may be chances of the cold shock or warm shock in the semen. So, and sunlight should not be directly encountered with this semen tube. So this is all about the collection of the semen. After the collection, you just see the how much ml semen is collected and what is the consistency. Is there is any urine? If there is any urine, then immediately discard that semen. If there is any pus or any blood, then also discard that semen. So and there, if the watery semen is also, then also discard that semen, because that semen is no use. So these points should be considered after the collection also. And after the collection, bulls should be replaced in their own set. Otherwise, uh, uh, there may be chances of the falls after 2 to 3 mounting in the dummy, and the penis of the bull should be maybe ruptured during that time. Okay. So this is all about the procedure and other things. Just wait 30 seconds. I will bring one artificial vagina and other things. सभी लोग हैं वहां पे? ये दिख रहा है आप लोग को? दिख रहा है? हेलो हेलो।
Yes, sir.
जी सर, जी सर।
देखिए ये इसको बोलते हैं हार्ड रबर सिलेंडर। दिस इज द हार्ड रबर सिलेंडर एंड दिस इज इनर लाइनर। हाँ, इनर लाइनर को फिट करने के बाद इसमें रबर बैंडिंग होती है। देयर इज रबर बैंडिंग एंड जस्ट wrap the rubber banding also so that the loosening is not occurred. And this is the rubber cone. Okay, this is the rubber cone and this is the test tube. And test tube should be fitted in this manner. Okay, sometimes you just make a rubber band here also, but not necessary because this is the so much tight. So this is your complete AV. After that you just pour the water here and you may get the star shape. Today is not there, but if you fill the water and pressure air, then there is a star shaped structure is coming. Okay, so this is the prepared AV. अब जब आप लोग आओगे आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन, आफ्टर द यू परमिशन विथ डीन सर, उसके बाद आपको सीमेंट कलेक्शन आर्टिफिशियल वेजाइना मेथड से करके दिखाएंगे यहाँ पे। अभी हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं, तो उसके बाद करके दिखाएंगे। ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत किसी को? एनी प्रॉब्लम, एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
अब सीमेंट कलेक्शन
No, sir.
का एक सिद्धांत ये भी है कि आप जब तक इसमें डेडिकेट नहीं रहेंगे तो आप सीमेंट कलेक्शन नहीं कर पाएंगे। और जो बुल को एक्सरसाइज करा रहा है वही आदमी रोज होना चाहिए, जो माउंटिंग के टाइम है वही आदमी होना चाहिए प्रेफरेबली। और जो कलेक्शन कर रहा है, जैसे हम आप कल 2-3 लोग कर रहे हैं, तो वही आदमी होना चाहिए, नहीं तो बुल सीमन देता भी नहीं और फिर अटैक का भी चांस रहता है। वो फेमिलियर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है बुल के साथ, और एकदम तभी वो सीमन कलेक्शन उससे हो सकता है। अदरवाइज इट इज़ वेरी हेक्टिक टू मैनेज द बुल्स। ओके, ठीक है, मीटिंग एंड करते हैं।
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू
Yes, sir.
सर।
एक वो ले लेना तुम लोग, कोई अटेंडेंस ले लेना थोड़ा सा। अभी रुक जाओ, मैं फोटो